Hi, welcome to Morbang Entertainment. So, on today's video, we can see the top 20 Telugu serials of this week. Basically in this channel called Morbang Entertainment, we can see the various type of TRP like Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Hindi as well as. So, hope you like today's video, and if you like today's video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel, also share with your friends and family, and don't forget to like button. So let's start today's video. First of all, we can see the shows between top 20 to top 16. So on number 20 we have the Telugu show Ohalu Gusa Gusa Lade, and this week TRP of Ohalu Gusa Gusa Lade is 4.81. With this TRP, Ohalu Gusa Gusa Lade is coming in average category. Then on number 19 we have the Telugu show Radhamma Kutharu, and this week TRP of Radhamma Kutharu is 4.83. With this TRP, Radhamma Kutharu is coming in average category. Basically, we categorize all the shows with their respective TRP. Then on number 18, we have the Telugu show Surya Kantam, and this week TRP of Surya Kantam is 4.87. With this TRP, Surya Kantam is coming in good category. Then on number 17, we have the Telugu show Mukku Pudaka, and this week TRP of Mukku Pudaka is 4.99. With this TRP, Mukku Pudaka is coming in good category. Then on number 16, we have the Telugu show Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup, and this week TRP of Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup is 5.20. With this TRP, Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup is coming in good category. So now we can see the show between top 15 to top 11. So on number 15, we have Star Ma show Intakki Dipam Ilayu, and this week TRP of Intakki Dipam Ilayu is 5.04. With this TRP, Intakki Dipam Ilayu is coming in good category. Then on number 14, we have the Telugu show Radhakka Nivaru Pranam, and this week TRP of Radhakku Nivra Pranam is 5.23. With this TRP, Radhakku Nivra Pranam is coming in good category. Then on number 13, we have Star Ma show Inennu Janmana Bandham, and this week TRP of Inennu Janmana Bandham is 5.25. With this TRP, Inennu Janmana Bandham is coming in good category. Then on number 12, we have Star Ma show Yada Layasu Indra Dhanusu, and this week TRP of Yada Layasu Indra Dhanusu is 5.37. With this TRP, Yada Layasu Indra Dhanusu is coming in good category. Then on number 11, we have the Telugu show Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati, and this week TRP of Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is 6.45. With this TRP, Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 10 to top 6. So on number 10, we have Star Ma show Nu Nena Prema, and this week TRP of Nu Nena Prema is 6.52. With this TRP, Nu Nena Prema is coming in good category. Then on number 9, we have Star Ma show Mali, and this week TRP of Mali is 6.74. With this TRP, Mali is coming in good category. Then on number 8, we have Star Ma serial Krishnama Kalpanti Indranati, and this week TRP of Krishnama Kalpanti Indranati is 7.06. With this TRP, Krishnama Kalpanti Indranati is coming in good category. Then on number 7, we have the Telugu serial Amai Guru, and this week TRP of Amai Guru is 7.19. मतलब 719. With this TRP, Amai Guru is coming in good category. Then on number 6, we have the Telugu serial Padmati Sandhya Ragama, and this week TRP of Padmati Sandhya Ragama is 7.86. With this TRP, Padmati Sandhya Ragama is coming in good category. So now we can see the top 5 Telugu show of this week. So on number 5, we have the Telugu serial Triyani, and this week TRP of Triyani is 8.66. With this TRP, Triyani is coming in great category. Then on number 4, we have the Telugu serial Prema Enta Madhuram, and this week TRP of Prema Enta Madhuram is 8.68. With this TRP, Prema Enta Madhuram is coming in great category. And this week, we can see the decrement in TRP of Prema Enta Madhuram. In last week, Prema Enta Madhuram is on spot of number 2. Then on number 3, we have Star Ma serial Krishna Mukunda Murari, and this week TRP of Krishna Mukunda Murari is 8.77. With this TRP, Krishna Mukunda Murari is coming in great category. Then on number 2 we have Star Ma serial Naga Panchami, and this week TRP of Naga Panchami is 8.97. With this TRP, Naga Panchami is coming in great category. Then the number 1 show of Telugu market is the show of Star Ma show Brahmamundi, and this week TRP of Brahmamundi is 10.9. With this TRP, Brahmamundi is the number 1 show is Telugu market, and as well as it's a number 1 show in India in rural and urban area. So that's it. This is a TRP of top 20 Telugu serials. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so don't forget to share with your friends, family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's free, and please press the like button. It's most important thing for us. So see you in next video. Till then, take care.